Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will talk about the sound and speaker problem in your phone OnePlus 11R. So in this device, if sound or speaker is not working, I will show you how you can fix the problem. Before I move to the video, if you are new to my channel and watching the video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch the video.